Welcome everyone. Today I come up with a very famous cloud operating system that is Openstack. Guys, in this video we will discuss about why to learn Openstack. I'm not going to tell you what is Openstack, what is the component of Openstack, how to install Openstack. For this, I will cover entire Openstack series in upcoming videos. So let's start. You may have watched some of videos where people describe what is OpenStack, but you will not be able to find out exactly why to learn OpenStack. To explain you in a best way, let's take a live example where you will find out by your own when to learn and why to learn OpenStack and how OpenStack play an important role in making good money. I have pointed out some points for you. Let's take an example of Mr. John, who is having good knowledge on Linux and making up to 7 lakhs INR per year with 3 years of experience. This number could be anything. I've just taken a random number to explain you. So at this point, John may quite satisfied. But what will happen after some time? Here, John is stuck at this point, trying to increase his package, attend multiple interviews, and observe with what set of skill set he has, he can't make more money than 7 lakhs. Because as you know, HR will have to judge all the market parameters, experience, and what the skill set you have, right? Now, John decided to join a new company and start thinking why he is not able to make more money. He starts searching job on job portal, figuring it out that what is the reason, okay, why he's not able to get more money. Then somehow he get some JD job description where mentioned a lot of skill set to be required apart from Linux. So John has only a Linux experience. Now John started thinking how to get more knowledge, and he was randomly searching things on YouTube, and somehow he landed on a link. As you guys know, Linux skill enhancement with Ashish, from where he learned Linux at very first time. He started watching videos, learned a lot of cool stuff from the channel, and acquired knowledge and skill set. John acquired practical knowledge on Linux, VMware, Ansible from the YouTube channel, and now applied for interview, and he got 3 offer letter at the same time. With this skill set, John reached up to 12 lakhs. So from 7 lakhs, he reached to 12 lakhs. How this happened? Because he added one more feather in his cap, that is VMware. Now John worked another 4 years with this skill set and reached up to 14 lakhs by getting increment in existing company. He was happy for more few days, right? Now John again stuck onward this point. Now John want to switch for another better opportunity and hike his salary. So John again searching on job portals but did not find the exact solution. He thought better to take advice from the YouTube channel where John has learned these skills and decided to message Ashish personally one-to-one on Facebook. Now the question is, does John get any solution? If yes, then what was the solution and what John has to do? I think you guys would have get the solution and answer of these questions. So the answer is only OpenStack. So if John has to increase his salary more than 14 lakhs, then he has to acquire one more skill set, that is OpenStack. So whatever captured till here, I have summarized in this diagram. Suppose someone is working since 3 years on Linux, right? And he has 7 lakhs CTC. Now to get more money, what he will do? He will has to increase his skill set. Now he will learn VMware. After 2 years, he get 12 lakhs from 7 lakhs. And you can see the experience as well. He spent 2 more years and learn this skill set. Now he has 5 years of experience and getting 12 lakhs. Now again, he learned one more skill set, Ansible, and now he has 7 years of experience and his CTC is more than 14 lakhs. Now if you want to increase your package or cost to company, right, then you'll have to add one more skill set, that is OpenStack. Now if you learn OpenStack and if you have 10 years of experience, let's say, your salary will be around 18 to 24 lakhs. You can go beyond this as well. And suppose if you want to increase more package, if you want to go beyond this, then you'll have to learn Docker and Kubernetes as well. So these are the trending cloud platform which are running in the market. Friends, now it's time to increase your skill as well. Doesn't matter on which stage you are. Guys, remember one more thing. Motto of this channel is not to make financial profit, only to help the one who has completed their BTech engineering and not clear where and what to start with, how to find job, and also to the one who is stuck somewhere by acquiring only one or two skill set and confused what to do next and how to grow and switch from that point. Therefore, I always ask you guys to follow, subscribe the channel and share this link with your friends and colleagues in order to help them. Also, let me tell you one more thing, that I have certified Red Hat OpenStack 4 months back and thought to share the benefit of it in the entire series. Thank you all. Meet you in the upcoming video very soon with OpenStack series. Till then, bye bye. Take care.